The top 15 healthy foods to consume. Every day, it seems there's a new superfood that promises to alter your life. How can you know what's beneficial for you when there's so much information available? According to our specialists, the following are the top 15 foods you should consume. Number 1. Fish. To lower your risk of diseases like stroke, heart disease, and cancer, eat plenty of fish, which are high in healthful omega-3 fatty acids, and consume lesser portions of red meat. Number 2. Broccoli. These foods are rich in nutrients such as glucosinolates, which aid in detoxifying. Number 3. Beets. They have a magnificent array of protecting carotenoids, regardless of hue, red, yellow, golden, or portion, root or greens. Number 4. Spinach and other leafy green vegetables. These are high in lutein and zeaxanthin, two nutrients that may help prevent macular degeneration. Number 5. Kale. It's a leafy green vegetable that I like chopped in salads or sautéed with garlic and onion. It has a lot of minerals and antioxidants, and it can help lower cholesterol. Number 6. Peanut butter. Peanut butter is my favorite food. It contains protein, carbohydrates, and sugars. It's a fantastic recovery snack, and my children adore it. Number 7. Almonds. Vitamin E, which is abundant in almonds, helps to prevent macular degeneration and cataracts. I recommend eating simply a handful each day. Number 8. Mangoes. They're low in calories and abundant in fiber, as well as vitamins A and C. They have been linked to a range of health benefits and include extra vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Furthermore, they are something that all of my children like, so we can all agree on it. Number 9. Blueberries. Blueberries are great frozen because they add fiber and antioxidants to your porridge while cooling it down. They contain resveratrol, which is similar to red wine but without alcohol, hangover, or additional calories. Number 10. Mediterranean diet. We know that physical fitness benefits mental health, so eat regularly throughout the day and don't skip meals or rely too much on snacks. Eat a Mediterranean-style diet with lean meat and plenty of vegetables, and make sure you stay within a healthy weight range. Number 11. Chocolate. There's nothing wrong with a little indulgence now and again, which is why chocolate is often referred to as a health food, as long as you don't turn it into a habit. Number 12. Quinoa. It's a wonderful grain that may be used in both savory and sweet dishes. It contains a high fiber and protein content, as well as a low glycemic index when compared to other carbohydrates. Number 13. Legumes. Chickpeas, garbanzo beans, are a terrific healthful snack that may actually deliver a lot of taste depending on how they're prepared. I enjoy creating jalapeno cilantro hummus, as well as roasting whatever peppers are in season and using them in hummus. Using hummus instead of a mayonnaise-based spread as a nutritious dip or to add a flavor profile to any wrap or sandwich can result in a healthy, flavorful meal. Number 14. Pickled vegetables. Pickling cucumbers are fairly standard, but branching out and pickling carrots may be interesting and delicious. Adding some chipotle pickled carrots to your snack rotation is another way to add a delicious dimension to a vegetable that might get monotonous over time. Number 15. Chocolate milk. It's the best drink for getting back on your feet. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more useful tips like this one.